of FMG make money with the platform in so many ways. The starting point is that their own businesses will be enhanced and their profitability will increase in whatever they do with mentorship. Members of FMG are supposed to be helping people, connecting with people to get them around them to actually see the opportunity of mentorship and business consultation. Meaning that any human being around any FMG member, they can use to make money helping them. For example, you can send students around you to FMG for mentorship. As they come, you are making money. You can also get people that are jobless to FMG that are around you, that are working around you. Once they get into the FMG field, you have actually gotten them as mentees. And as they come to the organization, as they make money with the different hubs that we have, they make money. We have different hubs. We have 7 hubs. And these 7 hubs, our businesses, what we charge in these 7 hubs are huge discounts that create the opportunity for members to get people that are around them to come and take advantage of the hubs. And as they are taking advantage of the hubs, they make money in the process. For real estate hub, for instance, we can sell a house worth 12 million naira for 3 million naira to our members. Our members don't need to have the 3 million naira. All they need to do is sell that house for 4 million naira. They will have made 1 million naira. And if they sell 3 or 4, they will be able to buy one for themselves. Our members can use their mouths to become landlord. Our members who have money can buy that house worth 12 million naira that we give to our members for 3 million naira. What they are used to buy one house, they used to buy 4. And at the end of the day, when the house is completed, they will sell 2. They will have doubled their monies. Members of our platform can double the monies in their investment using the real estate opportunity that FMG offers. Members of the platform can also attract people that are around them to our ICT hub. The ICT hub, everything we do in ICT, we do it at a discount for our members. To do website is from 30,000 naira. To outsiders, it's about 80,000 naira. Membership of FMG platform gives you the opportunity to be able to access the 30,000 naira to do your website. If you know that, it means that anybody that is working around you that wants to do a website that you bring to FMG, you make between the 30,000 and the 80,000 naira difference. And in some instances, all you need to do is just get 3 or 5 people in a week. You'll be making over 100,000 naira using the advantage of the FMG platform. If you are a member of FMG platform and you belong to a family, there are people there who need the help, who need mentorship. There are people around you who work with you, who need help, who need the mentorship and the business consultation. There are people who are doing businesses who are struggling. All you need to do is be ready and positioned to help people. And as you are helping them, you make money. You don't need to beg them. You don't need to convince them. You don't need to negotiate. All you need to do is get them to connect with FMG. Free mentorship grooming. They will be able to access the help that they need to succeed in what they do. And as you are helping them, you'll be making money. So in a nutshell, FMG is a business that introduces the opportunity for you to help people that are around you and you make money. So you can imagine the number of people that you have around you. The more people you help, the more sophisticated and the more experienced and the more influential they are, the more money you make. You don't need more than 5 strategic people to make 1 million naira a month. Come and take advantage of FMG platform today.